Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create your own AI agency website using the theme Divi, Cloudways as your host, and Namecheap as your domain registrar. It's going to be very fast, very simple, easy to follow. We're going to use one of Divi's pre-made templates, and it's geared towards anyone looking to create a AI agency or a service involving AI. I think this will just be a good example on how you can get up and running within 20 minutes. Let's see. Okay, so I'm just going to jump right into it and go from there. So the first step will of course be coming to namecheap.com, registering a domain name and purchasing that name. Domain names are anywhere between $11 to $50. There isn't too much to talk about here. I would suggest that you just get this over with and move on pretty fast. A lot of people spend a few days picking out a name. Just choose a name, register it, and move on to choosing a host or getting things going. It really won't matter in the grand scheme of things. So choose a name, and then let's move on to your host. And so the host that I use is cloudways.com. I've got several videos and a review specifically on Cloudways and why I use them, but just to keep it simple, I use Cloudways because it's a managed web hosting. It's geared towards performance, and it's an entire server, so you can host more than one website on Cloudways. I don't want to talk about it too long. I'll leave some links below, and you can look into it and understand why I'm using Cloudways. So assuming you've got a Cloudways account, you're going to want to log in here. So yep, log in, go to your apps, add application, and then select the server. And then so because we're using Divi's theme, you're going to want to install WordPress. We'll just call it demo website. Actually, AI agency website. Add application. This is going to take about 2 minutes, so I'm going to pause and come back. Here we go, yep, 2 minutes. In fact, while we wait for Cloudways to install WordPress, you're going to go to Elegant Themes, and if you haven't got a subscription yet, you want to purchase Elegant Themes. This tutorial is using one of their pre-made layouts, so yeah, you're going to have a Divi subscription. It costs $69 a year, and the cool thing about Divi's pricing is that, sorry, that's the lifetime. $89 a year, sorry, not $69. $89 a year, and this is unlimited usage, so you can use this theme and all their demos on as many websites as you want, and that's kind of why I like that. Or if you want just a one-time fee, just go to Divi Lifetime, hit $249, and then you've got unlimited usage and full access with no yearly fee on Elegant Themes. I'm going to leave a link below. Yeah, so go to Divi, purchase that. So yeah, go to your account and then log into your account here after you've made a purchase. Okay, so once you're logged in, go to the Divi theme and then download the Divi theme. That should give you a zip file. Yep, so just put that in your downloads or on your desktop, wherever you like it. And then we'll go back to Cloudways, go to your applications, and then here we go, we've got the AI agency website. You'll see all this information here, it's got my username and all that, but I actually will delete this after, so don't worry about that. Cloudways will create like this default URL where your website installation is. It's right here, as you can see. So get the username, password, click on the admin panel URL, and then just type that in. Log in. And then the next thing is, let's just go ahead and install Divi. So you go to Appearance, Themes, Add New Theme, Upload Theme, and then choose the file that we just downloaded. this case Divi, install now. Okay, once that's installed, hit activate. And voila. Oh yeah, sorry. Then you're going to want to log in and activate your license. So click on that and then fill in your username, password. So this is to generate a site in like a quick site. It's not the same template that I was planning to use. So in order to use the template that I want to use, you go to add new page and then load that up and then use the Divi builder, and then it will give you 3 options. Let's see. Let's just start building here. There we go. Yeah, so now we're going to choose a pre-made layout. Now the cool thing is I've got another video on how to build your entire website with AI. So if you do want to follow that, I'll link another video below. But for this tutorial, we'll use the pre-made layout. So browse layouts, and then here we go. So all these layout packs here, you can choose and import any of them onto any page. In fact, you can use multiple. But for this tutorial, we're creating an AI agency. So let's find the template that I wanted to use. I think it's under technology. Here we go. Divi AI. So this one here, this one I think is cool. So this is the one. We've got another one here, augmented reality, but this is the AI pack that I wanted to use. So click on that, and then you can choose which page. So if you wanted to add each of these pages in, you just create a new page, add in features. In fact, we can add the other pages. So let's just, for simplicity's sake, let's do the home page. So select that, and then use this layout, and then let that import presets. Okay, I'll come back when that's done. It may take a second. Okay, so when that's finished, you'll see your page like this, and as you can see, we can edit all these elements here. I'm not going to go into editing everything, but basically all you're going to want to do is type in your information /AI. You can remove all these elements. I mean, this is pretty cool, so you might not want to remove that. And then the cool thing about Divi too, a lot of page builders don't allow you to, well, some of them do, some of them don't, but specifically WP Bakery doesn't allow you to adjust padding and margins on the front end. Cool thing with Divi is you can do it right here, which I really like. Saves so much time. You know how many times I've had to go back and forth just from adjusting paddings and stuff. So this is a big time saver for me. And if you're familiar with WordPress and building websites, you would agree 100%. So as you can see, lovely website, little icons here. You know, got this this call to action area. So I mean, all you got to do now is just replace this with your content. So save that or publish. This is the home page, and then I'll show you how you can create the next pages. In fact, I'll just do the about page, and the process is exactly the same for all the other pages, like services, contact. You just do the exact same thing we just did for the home page. Just import, instead of importing the home page, we'd import the about page. And then I'll show you quickly how to adjust your menu, and we should be wrapped up pretty soon. So let's, yep, so that's good. That's published. Save that again. I've lost so much work, so I just oversave. Next thing, add new page. And we're going to do the exact same thing for the about page. In fact, you can just put about. Use a Divi builder. Okay, choose a pre-made layout. It was under technology. There it is, Divi AI. So hit that, and then we want to copy this about layout. So you can view the layout before. I mean, if you want to view it right here. So basically, we're just going to copy this and have it on our site. So use this layout, import presets. Wait for that to finish, and then once that's done, you're all set. So about page, about your agency, you can do anything here. You can add this is actually a video, so excuse me. Yep, that's a video there, so you can add your own video. You You've got all this information. So you just got to go through these pages, switch out the content, and you'll be up and running. So I mean, that's took us what, 5-10 minutes. I'm not sure, I wasn't really timing, but yeah. So I mean, the most time consuming part is switching out all this content and figuring out what you're going to say. But you'd hire someone and pay maybe $2,000 to get a website running, and as you can see, you spent what, you got your hosting subscription, you got your domain name, and you got elegant themes. So you spent 20 on hosting, 80, maybe you got the lifetime membership, so $150, and you've got a professional website that you've created in about 10-15 minutes. Obviously there's going to be a bit more time into it, but that would literally cost you a couple $1,000s. And I know that because I've charged, and I know people that are charging way more than that to build simple websites. So yeah, there you go. You've got yourself a website. Let's now save that. In fact, sorry, let's publish that, and then we'll fix the menu real quick, because I think a lot of people don't know how to change that. If you go back to your dashboard, now you can change this menu. You'd have to create a new menu, but just for simplicity's sake, we're going to keep that same menu. So you go to Appearance, Menus, then you come to this page, and then just type main menu here, create a primary menu, and then create menu, and then I'll just add your home and about, add to menu, and those pages are right there. Save menu. Save. Did that save? Sorry. And then let's have a look, see if that worked. Here we go. You see, home, about. So you get your home page. I mean, this page here is a sample page. We can change that. In fact, I'll show you how to do that. So there's the home page that we just imported. Obviously, you got to change all the content, and then you've got your about page, about your agency, blah blah blah. This is, so the home page is actually the root URL here, which is showing here. So this is really easy to fix. Just go back to your dashboard, go to Settings, General, and then this may not be it. I think it's, is it writing or reading? Maybe let's try reading. Yeah, there we go. Your home page displays a static page, and then you select home. I didn't label that page initially. I did it after the fact. So when you create that first page, make sure you include the home title. So, and then do this here. Save changes. And now every time we go to the root URL, which is the like www.yourbusinessname.com. In this case, it's just this temporary URL. But you go straight to your home page. You've got an about page, and voila. If you want to know how to point your domain name to this URL, I've got a separate video that I'm going to share below, and it will go through the details on how to do that. Very simple to do. You would just you'd log into Namecheap, and then you'd create some DNS records, but it's just to keep this video short, I'm going to link that video below. If you have any problems, drop a comment below and I'll help you out. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and now as you can see, you have a full-fledged agency website ready to go. It's got all the content you need. You just got to switch this all out, make changes, add the links to buttons, and add any more pages. But you keep doing this, you probably spend what, 10-15 minutes, and you'll have it finished up. Just switch out all this content, put your own picture in, or whatever it is you want to do. This is a FAQ section, but as you can see, very easy to do, and Elegant Themes and Cloudways make this super easy to do. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone that wants a website. You don't necessarily need to have an AI agency to create this website or this kind of website. You can do home service, small business, restaurants, events, all sorts. So yeah, thanks for watching, and bye bye.